Hi everyone, and today I'm going to give you a 1-minute review of the Bike Nook Bicycle Stand. Getting your bike on the stand is really easy. You have to get it onto the back wheel, and then you rest the seat post onto the top of the stand, and then I recommend using the strap included to fasten the front wheel. One thing I like about this stand is that the height is adjustable and it's quite easy to change. On top of that, it saves floor space and the setup process is really easy. While I do think this is a great stand, I also think it's a little bit overpriced because it's currently £39.99, so it hasn't changed price at all in the last year. Also, if you have a large saddlebag, you'll have to take it off. So there's my 1-minute review of the Bike Nook Bicycle Stand. If you have any questions about this product, feel free to leave them down below. But apart from that, thanks for watching.